Hello, good morning. I am Vijay. I am grade 1 at Vitram Natiri and Primary School. Today I am going to explain about sources of water. This is a rainwater. This is a lake water. This is a pond water. This is a well water. This is a tea water. This is a hand pump water. Thank you.